So I went to start my workout and I got a notification on my calendar telling me that I have a dentist appointment in about 40 minutes. So it's only just down the road. But it's a bit of a shame because I was planning on doing my full strength workout, but now I'm going to have to drop it back to my minimum workout. And here we go. So a minimum workout for me for this is I'm just going to do 5 sets of tuck lever and my planche work. That's it. You know, I went into this workout quite stressed because it just upsets me when I all of a sudden realize I can't do the workout that I plan to do. It's a big part of my values is to do my workouts the way that I intend to each day. But what I used to do was just get really, really stressed and not do anything and then just be in a terrible mood, and that would carry forward. And so now I just immediately shift into, I just get my minimum workout done. And so I'm on my 3rd set now. When I get 5 sets of this done versus nothing, this is so much better than just doing nothing, you know?